Alright, dude, what are we doing?
Alright, we're going to Nike store to get Air Jordan 6 Cool Grays that we won in a raffle. I'm going to pick them up, take them back to the studio and do a quick review on them.
A few moments later.
So we just got the shoes, we'll head back to the cars, head back to the studio, and we'll do a quick review on the shoes that we just got for you guys.
What are they?
Air Jordan 6 Cool Grays.
Alright, so what do you got there, Elijah?
So now we have the Jordan 6s in possession, the Cool Grays in the studio. We finally found a way to get these. We've been looking for these for a long time, and personally, we are not that big fans of Jordan 6s, right?
Yeah, no, we're
But
not.
these are an amazing colorway for the shoe. I think it's probably one of the best looking Jordan 6s I've ever seen. But like, just the sole, the leather for the shoe, the smell is just
Ooh.
amazing.
Give us a look.
So you can see the different types of leathers they use all around the shoe, especially on the back with the stitching. And then the sole as well is just amazing with the colors of the shoe.
This is like a bit of blue there.
Yeah, it's like a
Clear.
see-through sky blue color, baby blue, which matches perfectly with the shoe.
Yeah, it's nice.
Because if they went for like this tannish color, I don't think it would fit, because the inside looks like that. But it is really an amazing shoe here. Here, let me get the other one out.
Yeah, pull them both out.
So there they are. The Jordan 6s.
They look hot.
And we won these in a raffle too, so we had a guaranteed possession.
But we did have to pay for them, as one subscriber actually thought we'd actually won them for free.
Yes.
Turn them around, Elijah, just look at the back.
Oh yeah, so there's the back of the shoe, so you can see the Jumpman logo and like stitched into the leather.
That's hot. Side angle.
It is really an amazing shoe.
So Eli, didn't these, I think they debuted around 1990, 91.
Yeah, so when Jordan was in his 1990 to 91 basketball season, he brought out the Jordan 6s, and for back then, it was an amazing shoe, and because of its 30th anniversary, they brought it back with amazing
cool
new
colorway.
Yeah, with the blues, and such an amazing idea, especially for a 30th anniversary, which is spot on.
So it's pretty cool, because we really are not into Jordan 6s, but this one here, the colorway is very clean, and we are a fan, aren't we?
Definitely took us off guard when we got these in hand.
Yeah.
Because on camera, or in photos, they did not look as good as they do. But usually, if you guys continue watching this channel, we will be posting more Jordan 1. Colorways more like this, we might see more Jordan 6s on the channel. So that'll be it for today. Make sure to turn on notifications, because we have a lot of Jordan 1s in stock. But I won't leak it too much, that'll be for you guys to find out. But that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.